Hello Superuser, so today is a quick introduction to cue notes. So first we want to take this file of music and we want to cue it here in the trumpet part. So we're going to come up here to plugins, scoring and arranging. This is a default plugin. Add cue notes, and we want to add cue notes to the following steps from violin. Important here that you want to select what you want to cue first, not where you want it to cue it to. And so we want to read the cue from layer 1 because music's in layer 1, write the cue in layer 4, sure, resize, no heads, yada yada yada. I like lowercase violin. And you can obviously make your choice of what is exactly being cued. Hit OK, and we have it over here. Now the one thing to notice is that this doesn't have the default styling that you'd normally expect, especially if you have your own custom styling set up. So we're going to come over here, we're going to select it and see, oh, it's in the miscellaneous category. That's why, because I'm used to putting things as technique text, which looks very specific. So the way you get it there is miscellaneous, move to technique text. And yes, it'll alter the appearance, but it's still looking the exact same, right? So come over here to edit, use text category fonts, hit OK, and hit assign, and there we go. Then it looks like the rest of the music. So that's it for today. That's a quick introduction to using cue notes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it down below. Each week I post new videos on using Finale to its fullest. So if you don't want to miss out on any of them, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that we get notified as soon as any video comes out.